Looking for a touch of Italy right here in Kansas City? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team, and today I am sharing one of my favorite KC businesses, Va Bene, where the depth of authentic Italian flavors are experienced in each dish. If you're cutting back on pasta, there are other choices to try. You can try their house-made pizza or one of my very favorites, the grilled salmon with shaved fennel, grapefruit, cheese risotto, and a parsley walnut pesto, plus citrus butter. Now the cocktails include their house-made limoncello and their blood orangecello. Don't forget dessert with their blueberry lemon cake and your choice of dessert wine. So whether a family meal to go or a glass of wine to savor each course, try Va Bene's Italian Eatery and make sure to subscribe below for more of our KC favorite neighborhoods and businesses.